In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Location So Super app, how to set it up for your store, and also how the map and the other app features will display to your customers. So here I have a demo store with the Location So Super app already set up. So as a customer, I'm looking for the closest location to me, so I'll click on Find a Store. And that's going to direct to a page that has the map and also the closest locations sorted by distance here on the left. And as a customer, maybe I'll just click on the location and I can quickly get some information about the store, hours, address, and you also, with Location So Super, you get a dedicated page for that location. And this is highly customizable, but here we have hours and a few other details and some nearby locations. All right, besides the store locator, the main other feature is the store directory for Location So Super. Here we have it broke it down by regions and then by state or province and then also by city. And we do it this way because it's helpful for SEO, so all of your regions get their own page, all your cities get their own page. And so if a customer is searching, for example, Alberta plus your store name or your store category, it's more likely to rank higher. And from there, we can access those same location pages by clicking through as well. Now that you see what it looks like from the customer's perspective, I'll go through how to install and set up the Location So Super app within your Shopify admin. Once you've clicked install, this is going to be the first page you'll see. This is the home page. You'll also get an email, and within that email, there'll be a link to our documentation. You can refer to those documents to helping you get set up and anything else that you may need. And obviously, if it's not there, feel free to reach out and email us for any help that you might need, or click on this little chat bubble, and I'll get an email and someone will respond within the next day. Back to the Shopify admin, the first thing we want to do is set up our Mapbox token. If you don't already have one, a Mapbox account is required. So go to mapbox.com, create your account, and once your account is created, account homepage, you'll see your tokens. And this first token, you just want to copy back to the Location So Super Shopify admin and go to settings. And then you'll just paste that Mapbox token right here in that first field and hit save. And that will enable all the store locator features and be able to have your map render like it does here. Now that we have our Mapbox token set up, we can go to locations and start adding locations. If you want to do it manually, one by one, just click on add location, and that's going to provide you this form. And then your location will be accessible to everyone, and it will display on the store locator page as well. And if you have a lot of locations and you want to do a bulk import, we also allow that. Let's go to import right here. And we provide a sample CSV template if you want to use that. And the main thing that does is provide you all the column headers, and so you can see what it looks like, and it'll make it much easier for you for going through your import. We also have more documentation on how to properly import. Just go to our docs and getting started, and you'll see this article on using CSV files. So I won't go through all the details in this video, but it does have to be a CSV file, and there are some column headers that are required. And you can also update your locations through an import as well. I'll just quickly import some locations just to show you what it looks like. And while that import is running, you can just leave it. It's going to keep running. As you can see, every row that it goes through, it gives you some feedback on whether that's successful or not. So once you have your location set up, you want to provide a link within your Shopify theme so your customers can access the store locator page. But first, I do want to point out that you can customize the URL as you like. To do that, just go to Manage App, scroll down to Customize URL. This is your app proxy and app proxy URL. You can customize your URL. The first path prefix is restricted to these few words: apps, a, community, or tools. And then the second word you can change as you like. But we always default to /tools/locations. So that's what you'll see by default. And for example, on the store locator page, we have tools/locations here. For the location page, those you don't need to necessarily worry about as much, but will be location/location/the slug. And the store directory page will be tools/location/directory. Once you have that app proxy URL, however you want to configure it, you would just go to your Shopify store theme and place that however you like. Just go to your online store, then to themes, and then, for example, on this button, I can just update that URL to whatever I just copied from the customized URL from Location So Super. Now that you have your location set up and you have that URL placed in your Shopify theme so your customers can access your store locator page and your store directory, you have everything you need set up for the essentials. I'll go through some extra features just to cover them briefly. So here we have your locations, obviously, that we've imported, and you can go in and edit as you need there. And here you can customize the look and the feel of your theme. So your buttons, your images, your spacing, and your colors as well. And then we have two quick links right here, so you can view the store locator page right there just to get a preview of what it's going to look like, and the directory page as well. And here you can change the format for opening hours if you're using that feature. You can change the format, for example, to a 24-hour format, but defaults to 12-hour format. We have some more settings here. And then this is available only on the Superist plan, which starts at $45 a month currently. But you can edit the liquid code and pretty much set it up exactly how you want to, and that can be done by location for each location page, for the region page, even for the landing page. It's highly customizable. So whatever liquid code you can write, you can implement that there on the Superist plan. We also have an analytics section, so you can see analytics for each location and searches if you want to go more in depth. For SEO, you can modify the page content for titles. So these are the SEO templates right here: location, city, region, country, directory, and landing. And for each of those, you can modify the title, description, page title, and the meta description as you like. These double brackets are liquid variables, so if you do change those, be careful and make sure you're using the correct liquid objects. And then lastly, we have settings here, and these are things you can change. If you want to get more into the details, you can have search results sorted by priority instead of distance, for instance. Tags are another feature that's possible. So for each tag, you can decide how you want to display it, and then you can display that on each of your locations that have that tag enabled. Custom fields are another feature where you can create a field, and for each location you can add that field in as a custom field. So if your location has, for example, the review field filled out, then it's going to show on that location page. And so that covers the majority of setting up Location Super app for your Shopify store. If there's any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. I try to respond to questions, concerns as quick as possible. Also, if you have any feature ideas or something you want to see, just let me know. I'll do my best to try to implement those as well. Thank you.